So I'm in this area finding stuff like this, stuff like that, some brown glass, a bottom, modern stuff, twist top stuff. That one's wine, an older wine, probably from the 1930s or so. There's a stopper, cork. Okay, start digging a hole here. See, it's glass. There's glass all over the surface, yes. Medicine bottles, chunks of medicine bottles. Okay, just gonna go for it, man. The ground is so dry right now, I can't probe it, so I just gotta start digging. Right, just gotta start digging. What's that? Is it a buckle? It's a buckle right off the bat. See? If you're finding buckles like that right near the surface, people probably haven't dug this spot out yet. There's just bottles all over the place here. Huge ones, big bottles. Awesome, man. It's a buckle. Didn't even use my detector on it, right? There could be some epic bottles right down here, man. What the heck is that? Just gotta go careful with it. So I'll get a face going, you know. It's good to get a face going. Even though I'm gonna break a bottle right here, I might break a bottle here, but I want to get a deep pull and get a face going, right? And pull the bottles out from the face, right? You know, I'll take that risk, breaking a bottle, you know, or two, just getting a face going, so I can see what's happening with the soil here, you know. Probably the camera probably can't pick it up, but most of the stuff is gonna be right on the surface here, you know, this kind of stuff. I'll just have to use my hand digger. See, stuff is right on the surface. Gotta go kind of easy with it. Right there. No, it's broken already. Gotta get through it, man. So there's nothing deeper. There was this nail right here, but I'm not into it. Right? I'm not into it. I did find this. That's cool. That's modern though. Somebody's been down here digging already. And I have made a few test plugs here. I can't remember. I think I found that thing right there. So I think I'll dig a little test plug right here. Let's see what we got going on here. Nothing. No glass there. I'll dig a test plug right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Lots of glass here, so this is a good thing right here, right? That would be an awesome find, a crushed bottle like that. Oh man. I would have just died and gone ahead if I would have found a crushed bottle like that. Just died and gone to heaven, man. Oh, man. Another tire down there? No. I think some fabric there. Yeah. The ground is too hard for me to probe right here. So I was having some pretty darn good luck over here the other day. I was having some pretty good luck over here. But I'm gonna grab my detector and I'm gonna see if I can smack something out here real quick. Extend it out just a little bit here. Right there. What's that? Is that a twist top? Yeah, there's a twist top right there. That's what I think that's what it was. Just hit on that twist top. Yeah.
Jim wants us to go to a filbert field with him.
Where at?
Down the street.
Oh, it's... That ground is like concrete, dude. I know where that filbert field is. We just dug it the other day. It's impossible to dig in, man. Impossible to dig in. We tried that field the other day. It's like concrete. It's just like that concrete right there.